Hello YouTube, let's talk more about sets because they are very interesting, especially if you are interested in mathematics. Now, the difference between lists, tuples and sets is that you can change things in lists and sets, but you cannot change lists in tuples. Now, another difference is you have indexes in lists, for example, but you don't have indexes, positions in sets because they're not needed. You will get that over time. You can even put that on a piece of paper, but let's continue with our tutorial. So how to add new things to our sets, because we can do that. We will add one thing here, so colors.add. Okay, and string will be new color, which is like orange, and let's print our status now. Okay, so that works. If you wait 2 or 3 seconds, the order will be totally messed up because order is not important. Now some new people will say, well, what will happen if I type, indexes here, like print colors from position 0, and then you will get this, not surprise, but information, type error, set object is not subscriptable. So don't even think about indexes here. There is no such thing. They are totally not needed. Now, some people will say, well, if we can add one thing here, can we use the same approach to add multiple stuff? So let's try that. Orange red is a new color, for example, and let's run our script. So we have a problem. Add takes exactly one argument and you have given 2 or more, for example. So you cannot use add to add multiple things, only for one thing. So what is the solution? Solution is to not use add but update. So update is like a kind of, turning this our simple set into kind of database. So what will happen now? Let's see. We will have all these characters here totally messed up. So not just that we have splitted this, we have dispersed that also all over the place, because check this out, the order will be totally messed up again. See? So that's not good. That's not what we need. So what is the solution? What's the approach? The approach is to use combination of normal brackets plus angle, or what's the term? Square brackets, right? So square brackets inside of normal brackets. And our result will be something that is cool and usable. Can you use more? Well, let's see. More and more and more, and the result will be that you can do that. So there is more here. So the next thing, can you somehow grab things from keyboard? Well, sure. So let's actually do this for both of these colors, like X will be input, enter color X, like a new color for X, and we will also use a similar approach for Y, and down there we will remove this direct hard-coded strings, and we will use actual things that we have grabbed from keyboard. So when you are doing that, there is no need to enclose these X and Y in a single or double quotes, because that's already done here. Why? Because by default this will produce strings. So CLS and new color for X, like orange and orange red, and there you go, you have your things done. Now can you use len, like to check the length of your set, like it's case with the tuples and strings, ordinary strings and lists? Well, sure, you can do that. So let me just, let's delete this, and you can say colors are, for example, colors are, and you will just list those colors and print number of colors or number of elements. You will just say len and then colors, and that will be pretty much it. So that's cool, and order will be again totally messed up. So anyway, I'm gonna cut here and render and see each other in the next tutorial, where we will also talk about sets, because there is a couple of other functions we can use. So thank you for watching and see you there.